I was thinking about bypass the cow bakes and decided to make some granola this morning. I added oats, date sugar, almond butter, molasses, vanilla extract, almonds sliced. And then I remembered the cinnamon and the coconut. And I like mine pressed. If you like yours the way it comes in the grocery store, leave it loose. Otherwise, you can press it, and then you'll see what I mean in a second here, how it finishes in more like in sheets and chunks. But either way, it's delicious. Don't have your oven too hot or it will burn very quickly. It's just that easy, you guys. And of course, me and my homemade plant-based yogurt. Have a great day.